Most of the time in knitting, when we talk about twisting a stitch, we're talking about how to avoid doing that. But there are some times when you actually want to twist your stitch. Certain patterns call for you to do that. And you can see right here, I've got a twisted stitch where I've twisted the knit stitch on the right side and the purl stitch on the wrong side. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So knit up to the spot where you want to twist your stitch, and what you want to do on a knit stitch is to insert your needle instead of through this front leg. You want to knit through the back loop, and that is back here. So stick your needle in and knit it just like normal. And I'll show you again. So you get to that stitch and then through the back loop there, put your needle in and knit just like normal. Now I will show you the wrong side and how to do the purl stitch. So here I'm still knitting every stitch except for the twisted stitch, so it stands out a little more in the garter stitch pattern. You're going to want to bring your yarn in front if it isn't already, and just like the knit stitch, we're going to use this back loop. It's a little more difficult for a purl stitch, but you want to scoop underneath and come up through that loop and then purl and take it off the needle. I'm going to go back to knitting and I'll show you again. So bring your yarn to the front, then scoop underneath. My yarn keeps splitting. And then pull through. And go back to knitting and I'll show you again how this all looks on the right side. So you see it's created this little raised effect, which is quite nice.